Hi, welcome to Section 2 of the Framework Basics course. We will go into more detail around dialogues, the key to building an interesting bot. Let's have a look at the different sections. First, we will cover a quick introduction of what exactly is a dialogue. After that, we'll move into an overview of dialogues, covering the iDialog interface. We will then have a look at the bot states and the importance of these, and finally put all the theory together and practice with a demo. So join me for the next section. First, we'll go into a quick introduction of what exactly is a dialogue. Okay, so let's move on to the first video of this section, which will give you a quick introduction to dialogues. In this video, we'll give you an explanation of what a dialogue is, what we mean when we say we want to manage state, what a dialog chain is, and what are the benefits of dialogues. In theory, a dialogue is an abstraction that encapsulates its own state in a C# class that implements the iDialog interface. Okay, so what exactly does that mean? Let's break it down. Basically, dialogues are composed of a query and a response and model a conversational process. Here is a sample between a user and a bot. The bot may send a query to which the user responds. An exchange of messages between the user and the bot is the main illustration of a dialogue, and one conversation can be made up of many dialogues. However, dialogues also need a method to store and manage state. Let's go have a look at what this means. So, managing state. Let's have a look. A conversation, as we said, is made of many dialogues. However, each subsequent dialogue may need to use information obtained from the previous dialogue, managing the state. So have you have a look at this example. The bot sends a query to the user, asking for his name, and the user responds. This is part of the first dialogue. However, to manage state, the bot will then need to use the information obtained from the first dialogue in the follow-up questions. It's remembered the name of the state, in this case the name Joe user. We'll explore exactly how this works in a later video, but before going any further, let's examine the effect of dialog chains. What is a dialog chain? It's a stringing together of a dialogue or a stack of dialogues that form a conversation. The dialogues are showing the conversation broken up into logical segments. The first one, introduction dialogue, saves the name of the state. This continues perpetually throughout the context dialogue and the farewell dialogue in this example. In short, we can create dialog chains, where each dialogue breaks up the conversation into logical pieces that can be mixed and matched for optimal flexibility and use. This, as you can imagine, can be hugely beneficial to developers. So in summary, what have we learned about dialogues? Let's summarize the main points. Dialogues can break down a conversation into manageable sections. Dialogues can be composed with other dialogues. This maximizes reuse, and a dialogue context maintains a stack of dialogues active in the conversation. This will make dialogues flexible and portable across machines and making implementations scalable. Okay, but there was something we haven't covered yet in the original definition of a dialogue, the iDialog framework.